Starting a business is an exciting but challenging experience. One of the most important decisions to make is the legal structure of the business. A limited liability company, LLC, is a popular legal structure that offers flexibility and protection for business owners. Tennessee is a great state to start an LLC due to its business-friendly environment, low cost of living, and strategic location. In this video, we will explore the benefits of starting an LLC in Tennessee and provide a detailed guide on how to start one. Now, let's discuss the benefits of starting an LLC in Tennessee. 1. Flexibility in management. An LLC offers flexibility in management. The owners of an LLC are called members, and they can choose to manage the business themselves or appoint a manager to do it on their behalf. This means that members can be actively involved in the day-to-day operations of the business or take a more hands-off approach. 2. Limited liability protection. One of the primary benefits of forming an LLC is limited liability protection. This means that the personal assets of the members are protected from the debts and liabilities of the business. This is particularly important for small business owners who may not have the resources to pay off large debts or lawsuits. 3. Tax benefits. LLCs offer tax benefits that are not available to other business structures. In Tennessee, LLCs are treated as pass-through entities, meaning that the profits and losses of the business are passed through to the members, who report them on their personal tax returns. This can result in a lower tax burden for the members. 4. Business-friendly environment. Tennessee is known for its business-friendly environment. The state offers a variety of incentives, including tax breaks and grants, to encourage businesses to relocate or start up in the state. The cost of living in Tennessee is also relatively low, making it an attractive location for entrepreneurs. 5. Strategic location. Tennessee is strategically located in the center of the United States, making it an ideal location for businesses that need to reach customers or suppliers throughout the country. The state is home to major transportation hubs, including Memphis and Nashville, which offer easy access to major highways, airports, and railroads. Now that we've established the benefits of forming an LLC in Tennessee, let's explore the step-by-step process of starting one. Step 1. Choose a name for your LLC. The first step in starting an LLC in Tennessee is to choose a name for your business. The name must be unique and not already in use by another business in Tennessee. You can check the availability of your chosen name by searching the Tennessee Secretary of State's website. Step 2. Appoint a registered agent. All LLCs in Tennessee are required to have a registered agent. This is a person or company that will receive legal documents on behalf of the LLC. The registered agent must have a physical address in Tennessee and be available during normal business hours. Step 3. File articles of organization. The next step is to file articles of organization with the Tennessee Secretary of State's office. This is a legal document that establishes the LLC as a legal entity. The document must include the name of the LLC, the names of the members, the registered agent's name and address, and the LLC's purpose. Step 4. Create an operating agreement. Although not required by law, it is a good idea to create an operating agreement for your LLC. This is a legal document that outlines the ownership structure, management, and operation of the LLC. It can help prevent misunderstandings and disputes among the members. Step 5. Obtain an EIN. All LLCs in Tennessee are required to obtain an Employer Identification Number, EIN, from the Internal Revenue Service, IRS. This is a unique number that identifies your business for tax purposes. You can apply for an EIN online through the IRS website. Step 6. Obtain business licenses and permits. Depending on the nature of your business, you may need to obtain additional licenses and permits from the state or local government. For example, if you are starting a restaurant, you will need to obtain a food service permit. The Tennessee Department of Commerce and Insurance provides a list of state licenses and permits on their website. Step 7. Open a business bank account. It is important to keep your personal and business finances separate. Opening a separate business bank account can help you keep track of your finances and make it easier to file taxes. In conclusion, starting an LLC in Tennessee offers many benefits, including flexibility, limited liability protection, tax benefits, a business-friendly environment, and a strategic location. If you are considering starting an LLC in Tennessee, be sure to follow the steps outlined in this video to ensure that your business is set up properly and legally. With the right preparation and planning, your LLC can be up and running in no time. If you are confused or consider these steps to be difficult, you can employ a professional formation service to file your LLC. Northwest Registered Agent is an amazing company that will guide you through creating your LLC. They even have a service where they will file your LLC for you without you going through any hassle. Watch the rest of the video, where I will show you how to form an LLC in under 1 minute through Northwest Registered Agent. The full review of Northwest Registered Agent is also given in the description down below. Starting an LLC? Let us show you how to do it in a right way. First thing first, the whole point of an LLC is to separate you and your business. That's what protects your finances and privacy. Start by appointing a registered agent. Your LLC official point of contact. Hiring a registered agent is a smart and affordable method to maximize privacy. Next, see if your name is available by checking your state business database. Now you are ready to file state paperwork. The average fee is around $100. Apply for a free EIN from IRS website. Having your tax ID in hand you'll make the rest steps easy. Put your LLC policy in writing with an operating agreement. Make it easy with free template like ours. Remember when we said LLC separates you and your business, that's why your LLC needs its own bank account. Your bank account does not do any good in empty, time for each member to contribute. Be prepared for annual files and fees like state reports and taxes. Check the link in the description below. Start your LLC with Northwest Registered Agent.